How much did you pay for poop? Give a ballpark amount. Is it less than 100 or more than 100?
A bit more than 100.
Okay, so you spent $100 and something on a piece of turd.
Yeah.
I'm just amazed by how light, but also kind of scary this ice pick is.
See this spot right, see that spot right there?
Where? Which spot? There?
Down a bit. Down a bit. No.
What are you talking about, down?
Up. To the left.
Which left?
Mine. Right there.
To the middle. You could have said the middle.
Whatever happens.
It's kind of wet. I don't know what that means. If it'll be, I don't know if it'll make a better puck or a worse puck.
Dude.
I can't Mom.
If there was a toilet or a porta potty filled with that scent, I don't think you can withstand it.
I've been in porta potties that are worse, in my opinion.
Where have you been?
No comment. What do I have that's not covered in chemicals? Yeah, forgot a thing. Look at how bad it is.
It's okay.
Okay. What? It's just so slow. Ah!
No!
Gotta do one big. No! Are you kidding me? I've never messed this up before in my life. Whoa, this is bad. Okay. That was really, 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 really bad. Oh my God. I've not slobbered on myself like this in a long time.
When was the last time?
It's been a long time. Okay. It has a very sleek entry to the water, right. So it makes it to the bottom, and it's at the bottom that it explodes. Do I do it? The texture is horrible. That is so nasty.